si Mama na yan. Where's Papa Luloy? Okay, that one. Where's Toto Heaven? Wow, where's Papa Lo? That one, Papa Lo. Where's Toto Enteng?
This one.
Okay, where's Tata Cardin? Okay. Where's Mia again? Near Tot Tot? Where's near Tot Tot? That one near Tot Tot? Small? Okay. Mira, come here. Let's play a game first. Come here.
Let's eat.
Dito, stand up ha. Wait lang ha. Wait. Let's go. Let's see Tata Carlin. Wow! Mira naman. Mira's turn. Wow! One, two. Ay? Wala akong biskuit. Wala biskuit, Tata. To, ikaw oh.
Close. Close. Close.
Why?
Close.
Close. Why? Again.
Okay.
Tata Carlin.
Yay! Yeah.
Yay!
Two.
Huh?
Nothing. I have one. You have two. Ay, nagagawa mo. Close. Close. Close.
Wala ako biskuit.
No. Eat ko na to. Another.
I'm hungry.
Eat mo na. Mira, eat mo na yung sayo. Close. Why close?
Laro man ang sa isip.
Close.
Where's... I'm hungry, Mira. This is mine. Where's my biscuit?
Oh no, I'm eating my biscuit.
Give me, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's eat na. Cheers.
No.
Cheers.
Wait lang.
Galing ni Mira.
Uwi na sila? Kanta lang yun. Lumayo si Mary Kay. Oh, ayun. Nagpururot.
Amira,
Hoy! Ikaw ba? Bye-bye!